Welcome, in this video I will show you how to take screenshots on Apple Watch Series 11. First of all, you're gonna have to enable screenshot in settings. To do that, open the app library by pressing the digital crown on your Apple Watch, scroll to Settings app and open it. Next, scroll down to General section, scroll to Screenshots, and open Screenshots and switch this toggle to the right in order to enable screenshots. Now, to take a screenshot, you have to short press the digital crown and the side button on your Apple Watch. And if you want to view your screenshots, you're gonna have to open the Photos app on the iPhone that is paired with your Apple Watch. So let's grab the iPhone. Let's go to the Photos. And let's check the collections, go to screenshots, media types, then screenshots, and here is the last taken screenshot, and it's the screenshot that I just took. And that's how you can screenshot on your Apple Watch. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.